15 cool facts you probably didn't know about whales. Number 15. The majority of the population of Wales speaks English. Only 21% can speak Welsh, the country's native language. A blue whale produces over 400 gallons of sperm every time it ejaculates. And only about 10% of that goes to the lucky lady. And now, we're all left to wonder what a sperm whale had to do to earn its name. Number 14. Reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing up to 400 tons, blue whales are the largest animal on the planet. The tongue of a blue whale can be as large as an elephant, and the heart of a blue whale is so large that a young child could swim through its veins. Number 13. One of the most distinctive types of whale, the orca, or killer whale, which is the same breed as the famous Shamu, is actually not a whale, but a type of dolphin. Number 12. A blue whale can go up to 6 months without eating, but during certain times of the year, it can eat up to 4 tons of krill per day. Krill is a tiny shrimp-like animal that makes up the largest portion of a whale's diet. Number 11. Whales live in oceans all around the world, but during the winter, most of them migrate to near the equator. Blue whales can swim at an average speed of 5 miles per hour, but can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Number 10. Whales are the loudest animal on the planet, and can reach heights of up to 188 decibels. It is thought by scientists that whales can hear each other up to 1,000 miles away, if the oceanic conditions are fair. Some whales use echolocation to sense the size and location of objects and animals near. It is also used for sexual selection.
Oh, yeah!
Number 9. It has been theorized that beluga whales enjoy music. In multiple experiments, in the ocean as well as in captivity, the whales have not only expressed interest in, but also sung along and danced to music that was played to them. In one specific case, a captive beluga whale appeared to be serenaded by a group of mariachis. At least something out there likes mariachis. Number 8. Scientists know little about the sounds produced by whales. They seem to many to be complex and mysterious. The famous bloop, a very loud noise detected in the early 2000s, was at first theorized to be made by whales, but was later concluded to be caused by icebergs. It has been reported that whales have similar communication patterns to humans, and have even imitated human voices before. It has also been reported that a whale named Lugosi, in a Vancouver aquarium, could say its own name. Number 7. In the 20th century alone, humans killed over 2 million whales. It is estimated that today, only between 10,000 and 25,000 blue whales are left in the world's oceans. Whales are valuable because of their oil, meat, and baleen. While hunting has slowed significantly since, another major threat to the whale population today is pollution. Number 6. In terms of poaching, the narwhal, which is sometimes referred to as the unicorn of the sea, was one of the most valuable, with its large tusks that can reach up to 8 feet in length. Number 5. According to scientists, blue whales are getting even larger. Due to global warming, the warmer temperatures in the ocean's currents make krill, the blue whale's favorite food, even more available to the giants. Blue whales are so large that even at birth, they are already one of the largest animals in the world. A baby blue whale weighs approximately 3 tons at birth and gains on average 200 pounds per day. Number 4. Whales are very social creatures. They are rarely alone and usually travel in packs. From the photographic study, it was determined that female humpback whales exhibit long-lasting friendships with each other, and sometimes even reunite with each other annually. Number 3. Sperm whales have very unique sleeping patterns. They only sleep between the hours of 6 p.m. and midnight, and only for approximately 12 minutes at a time. What's most interesting is they sleep in a vertical position. Off the coast of Chile, scientists came across a group of sperm whales that were completely still, with their heads bobbing near the surface of the water. At first, they were confused. Once the scientists got to the middle of the pod of whales and nudged one of them, the whales woke up and swam away. Number 2. Whales have a unique organ to their species, which is used in feeding. The way whales eat is a method known as lunge feeding. They swallow large amounts of water, sometimes up to the equivalent of their weight, which surrounds their food, comprised of krill, plankton, and various other small oceanic creatures. It is assumed that the softball-sized organ, located near the chin on baleen whales, is used to help filter the food from the water. Number 1. Some species of whales will adopt animals that are not their own. In 2011, there was a case of sperm whales that adopted a deformed dolphin into their pod. Baleen whales have also been reported to exhibit similar behavior, and sadly, sometimes so even with inanimate objects, such as planks and skeletons. If you enjoyed this pointless video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if there's anything you want to see in a future video, let us know. Click here to learn about mummies.